Hey everybody, and today, guess what? I am playing CBR2. Wait, CBR2. Now you may be wondering, Vincent, how are you playing CBR2? The game closed like 5 years ago. Well, if you didn't know, then like a few days ago, the game actually got reopened. Yeah, I'm not kidding. So, it's still open, and you can still play it right now. Alright, let's see. Let's go into Thomas. Right? Let's go. Wait a minute. Hang on. He has the little, like, thing. This here. His tank and... Oh, wait a second. I think this is, like, meant to represent, like... Whoa, the season 23 to 24 Thomas. And yes, my graphics are that low because if I put them at max, my phone will explode. Let's go this way. What's the way here? Oh, who's there? Oh, there's Whip and Scruff. You have harbor. Alright, there's some trucks here. And Bullstrode, man. Wait, what? Boko, my dear engine, save me! And hang on, there's the Flying Scotsman. And Stefano! My god! Stefano the Super Cruiser. Alright, we're going on this thing. We're going on a cruise. I think we gotta go here. Alright, let's turn on our lights. It's gonna be a very stormy night. Alright, we're on a roll now. Here we go! Oh look, it is random docks because there's Salty and there's Cranky. Alright, I think this is our stop. Yeah, I think you use this hook. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Use the hook. And we take that. We're connected. We connected to the Super Cruiser. Okay, hang on. Go. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh, if I turn once more, then it's gonna tip over. I know it. It's gonna tip over. Oh no! Oh no! Thomas, how are you staying like that? You're almost at a 90-degree angle. Oh no! Oh! Okay, that was actually kind of fun. Hey guys, so basically I kind of forgot to show this, but look at this, look. Here we are at Tidmouth Station. There's that Thomas there. There's Oliver, Daisy, Toby, Billy, some Yellow Engine, Charlie, Steven, Stafford, Dennis, Skip, Darcy. This infamous bridge that some of you may know. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Oh no. Oh, look at that. It's like a snow biome right over there. Oh. Hey, look, one of my friends joined. Yay! Let's go in class 40. Or bowler. Or the diesel, or whatever you want to or whatever you need to call him, or what he's called. I don't know. Let's go into the snow biome. Whoa, okay, this is cool. Pretty sure it's been night for more than it's been day. Nice, alright. Nice. Even OCs, nice. Oh, look at this. This is pretty chilly, isn't it? Chilly. Oh no! Oh no, I got stuck. Oh yes, please. Who's that? Is that Thomas? Steelworks Thomas the Tank Engine. Wow. So what, is this like an alternate universe Thomas? You know, a Thomas that that when in Journey Beyond Sodor, he actually stayed on the mainland. Man, that would be such a sad ending, though. Hey, look, we're at Wellsworth, and is that a purple car? Huh. Alright. Hey, look, it's already daytime, and oh, narrow gauge! I completely forgot that the narrow gauge engines were in this game. Bertram, the old warrior. Nice. You know, I remember watching like a video that was basically just a bunch of clips of someone playing Cool Beans Railway 2. And in one of the clips, there was I'm sorry, Flying Bertram coming through! I kid you not. There was a clip of that. I am not joking. I would get the clip, but the video has sadly been taken down for some reason. And look, there's Boulder. Looks weird. Wait, what if double trouble? Uh-oh. Oh no, Bertram! Oh! Okay, that was kinda funny. Wow, so it handles much faster. What? What? Why is there a streamlined engine here? Not the Polar Express. What does that look like? It's City of... Oh, the famous engine, City of Truro. And this guy, the NYC Dreyfus Hudson. We got Wendell, the Norfolk engine. Industrial Shunter. Box Hill himself. Industrial Tank Engine. And Trevin the... Just Trevin the... Let's go with Trevin. Let's see, let's go around here. Whoa, what's over there? Railgate? Wait a minute. Flashback.
Whoa. Whoa, what the...
Wow, Railgate. Let's see, who do we have at Railgate? Alright, let's see the grand selection of Railgated engines. Trackmaster Dave, Rosie, Spam Cam, Thanos Duncan. How does he fit on the tracks? Gordon, oh yeah, that one Gordon model. The Shed 17 Thomas. Ming. And no, not this Ming, this Ming. And Victor. What did Victor do? Alright, whatever, let's just go in Ming. The Ming. Ming the Ming. Ming is the greatest character. Changed my mind. Hey, what's over here? Wait a minute. Did we already take an entire loop around the track? Guess we did, because we're back at Knapford. Shocker. Whoa, hey look, there's the quarry. Oh, the China Clay Quarry. Or maybe just a hybrid of the China Clay Quarry and the Farquhar Quarry. Two quarries in one. Great deal, eh? What's over there? Oh my god, Cooley 93! The guy who created one of the greatest Thomas games ever! Plus, and locals online. Hang on, but Harold. Man, let's go in Harold. Then we can actually see what we haven't seen. Alright, let's go. Go. What? My propellers! Oh god, Harold looks bald without his propellers. Like, genuinely, it feels and looks weird. Whoa! Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh no! Ah! Honestly, I feel like I'm playing... Honestly, it feels like the year 2019 all over again by just playing CBR2. Oh yeah, and hang on. Remember when I talked about flying Bertram? Well, I'm pretty sure in that clip, he like crashed like right over like somewhere around here. Then he fell into his death right here. It was crazy. What do you mean that didn't happen? You was there too!
What?
Hey look, there's Wilburn and 16. Huh. Guess this is the wharf. Colin! My guy Colin! This is a very slow train ride. Oh hey, cool, a Y switch of Cool Beans Railway Track. I don't think I've seen that before. Hang on, who's that engine? Wait a minute. Black James? It is Black James! Yeah, or Original James, as some people call him. And well, I guess that was simply everything. Huh. Alright. Okay, guys, this is gonna be it for today's video now, guys. So if you liked it, like, subscribe, click that bell notification, select all, and I'll see you all next time. Wait, does anyone else hear that?
What did I miss?